Hi guys, hope you all have a fantastic day. Well, today we are gonna do a little bit of wiring. I want to put some lights on my Lada Niva because if you own a Niva, you know that the high beams are just bad. And I'm going on a little trip, so about 700 kilometers, and there's not a lot of light, street light where I'm going. So I want to have a little bit more light. That's it. So I have this laying around the shop, so I thinking why not to install it. Well, let me show you. I have these little lights and I already have holes. Here was a front bumper, but I don't like the look of it, so I get rid of it. I sold it, and now I can use these holes for these lights. Okay, let me show you the wiring. Here we can remove this. Here is practically how it's gonna look. So I don't like the aftermarket switches on Ladas, so I'm gonna use this, and I'm just gonna put some sticker over this fog light so that this doesn't confuse anybody if someone is driving my car. So yeah, we have, now I'm gonna switch this on, and let me show you if I find it. We have a ground wire, and boom, and the switch is lighting, so I know that everything is on. Now I have one hand, so I need to remove the ground. I'm gonna turn off the switch. Now when I put the ground, everything is off, and when I turn on, I need to put the ground back. Then the switch is on, so I know that I don't actually by mistake just turn on when I'm driving on the day, so that I don't confuse somebody and do something that I'm not supposed to. So yeah, that's pretty much all the basics. So let's just wire everything, and then that's pretty much it. It's really straightforward. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna remove a couple of interior pieces, and when to wire, where to put wires. So that's it. It's pretty simple. I love this type of job. It's easy, it's fun. So without further ado, let's put these lights and then we can start wiring. Let's go. Done here, I'm just gonna put at the end some zip ties. I'm gonna drill a hole here and just zip tie it so it look nice. And we are here. I don't know if you can see it, not very good, but there is a small hole, so I just pull this through, and now we just need to wire this. Just follow factory wiring, and I'm gonna ground lights right here, but there is one ground already here, so I'm just gonna put another one. Then we can go inside. Here is a factory grommet. I'm gonna use this to get in, and we need a positive from the battery that's gonna go here as well. Just gonna follow this wiring, and I'm gonna put a fuse at the beginning. So that's it. Let's make all this pretty, then we can go inside. Okay, everything is tied up and ready in the engine bay. I decided not to record it because it's boring. You can just watch me in time lapse do. So I'm just gonna show you right now. We have a fuse here, and going to the positive. Then we are following our factory harness. Everything is tied up here. I just need to cut the zip ties. So we are following factory harness and wiring, sorry, and we have here our positive wire, and we have here our positive wire for the LED lights, and the ground wire is here for the lights, and inside we need to find another ground wire for the switch. So we need to have a constant 12 volt, or if you, I'm really not doing that, I'm lazy, you can find the switch and put a relay so that you can have 12 volt when you turn the ignition on, but I really don't want to do that. It's just a lot more stuff. I done it in a couple of cars and I never had a problem, so I'm just gonna do it like this. And if anything goes wrong, the fuse is about 5 centimeters from the battery, so that's not gonna be a much of live wire if something happens. So just try to put fuses close to the battery, and that's to me really enough. So okay, now I'm gonna push the wire in, then we can remove some part of the interior, and then we are done. Let's go. Okay, we are inside. I just need to remove these fuses, and I got the wire here. Now I need to get, I'm still thinking where. I'm thinking, let's go here. It's the closest that I can, so we are gonna go here, or maybe here. Okay, that's still thinking when I got to that part, but now I need to remove just this cover. It's 2 bolts, one here and one on the other side, and then you can pull this out. That's just gonna give me enough room so that I can see what I'm doing. And then we are gonna get over here, and then we are done. So guys, everything is working. Let me show you. We have a nice switch here, and we have some lights here. So yeah, now we are gonna wait for the dark and see if they're any good. We're gonna wait a little bit. For you, it's just gonna be a couple of seconds. For me, a couple of hours. See ya. Okay, it's finally dark. And now we can see if there's any difference. Okay, this is the regular light. This without anything. This is our daily light. This is our high beam. Oh, this is high beam. As you can see, not as much you can see. And then we have our new off-road lights. So yeah, it's pretty big difference. So yeah, that's the most important thing. I did it because now we can see. We can turn off these lights. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's get back to the shop. Guys, this is it. Everything is installed and we are ready for the trip. I checked the oil, checked the coolant, brake fluid, and everything was good. So I don't know, hopefully everything would be good. I'm not gonna record the trip, but I'm just want to be sure if I go in some place dark, because I know if I see some path I'm gonna take it, so at least I have a light. So that's the only thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go on a little road trip. There's gonna be a lot of fun, and then back to working. So guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.